Hello everyone, I'm Zizan. Welcome to this watch shopping review. In this video, I will simply explain. This time, I bring you a Seamaster 600's 1/4 layer. This time, I bring you an orange strap version. In this video, I will simply explain about its appearance, workmanship, and details, and the tutorial of its movement function. It's from VS's 1/4 layer. It's a unique one on the market. Dandong 890 movement. Okay, the orange part is made of rubber. I'll explain it to you later. First, let's take a look at its dial. The dial is a black one, and the orange scales are embellished. You can see that it looks very distinctive. Let's put it on and see its own logo, which is a block of metal. You can see the three-dimensional effect, including its 694, is an orange bar with a relatively round polishing treatment and baked paint treatment. Let's take a look at the pointer. The overall cutting of the pointer is relatively neat. You can see the curved pointer. Let's take a magnifying glass to look at the edge cut. Is also relatively clean. There are no obvious burrs. The 3 o'clock position is a Japanese window. It has a distinct step treatment for the Japanese window. The Z bottom is a matte black one. The Z bottom is also relatively straight. Let's take a look at its bezel. A simple way to distinguish if it is a VS. The opening. It is a black ceramic. The quarter layer is made of rubber. It's made of soft rubber. If you pinch it, there are folds. You can see it. There are folds. So it's elastic. So it is really a rubber. This can also be distinguished from a means to distinguish whether it is woven. Let's take a look at its appearance. The appearance, it's polished and brushed with a 360-degree diamond. On the side, it's here. The ring can rotate in one direction. When you rotate it as a whole, the bezel is relatively tight. Let's take a look at its. This is a logo on the handle, which is a pointed angle. You can see that the two corners are hooked up. It's different from the metal block on the dial. Logo on it, which is a flat angle. Two small lenses. The two corners are hooked up. So this place is also the same as the original process, which is distinguished. Stand up and look at the mirror. There is an arched mirror. You can see the arched mirror. At 12 o'clock of the night pearl, there is a small lens. You can see, and then in the middle position, the orange tape. You can take a look. The black and orange. This tape, it looks very dynamic with this dial. It has a very sporty feel. Let's take a look at the movement. It's a movement is a Dandong 890 movement. You can take a simple look. It has a double T shock absorber. It's a quick set, which is the domestic standard. And its balance wheel is black. Let's take a look at winding the watch. The gears will rotate. For example, look at these two places, and this place, this place, this place, and this place to wind the spring. Let's take a look. Its gears will rotate very clearly. This is the difference from some fake movements. Yes, this is also a point for judgment. The gears will rotate regularly. It has a synchronous original purple gem movement. The overall polishing is also very beautiful. In this dim light, from this angle, it looks very textured. The printing on the font is also neatly printed. The font printing inside is not blurred at all. It started. Let me give you a simple explanation. The method of adjusting the time. First, rotate the head down to open it. After popping it open, pull it out to the first gear. It is driven by the hour hand to jump arbitrarily to achieve a quick adjustment of the calendar. This is the same operation as the original version. Pull it to the last gear. Pull it up to adjust the time. It starts around 10 o'clock. Then it climbs up the upper half. I'll complete a jump at around 12 o'clock. This is a slow adjustment calendar type. All functions are synchronized with the original, including its slow adjustment and adaptability, which is the same as the original. Push it back, push it inward, then push it back while rotating it up. This is the finger for adjusting the time. This rowing is just a decoration, which can be opened or locked. This is a decorative function, which has no practical use. The original version is a layout. The other one is for diving. After opening it, to release some pressure inside the watch to prevent the watch glass from breaking. Let's take a look at the buckle. The logo is a folding buckle when opened. There are also engravings inside. It has a crisp feel. Let me show you the actual print effect. It's a two-color print effect which is completely in line. Finally, let's take a look at the actual effect. I really like its tape version because it is a black and orange combination. Tape. It fits the wrist well and is waterproof for sports. And one of its features is very prominent. It makes you feel very energetic. Okay, that's all for this watch. Welcome to Follow Me. I know that's all for this video.